In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete any Facebook page that you own or manage on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap on menu button located at the bottom right corner. Then at the top, tap on down arrow and tap on the page that you wish to delete. Once you are on this desired page, tap on menu button at the bottom right again. Now tap on gear icon at the top right to access page settings. Scroll down until you find your information section. Tap access and control. Now tap deactivation and deletion. On the next screen, choose the option to delete page. Note that when you delete your Facebook page account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you had shared on Facebook. Tap on continue to proceed with the deletion. Next, choose the reason for page deletion. Just choose any random reason as this is not that important. Before page deletion, you may take a backup of your Facebook page data as once page gets deleted, all the associated data will be lost. Tap continue. Now enter your Facebook password for security reasons. You will get a final confirmation message about page deletion. If you are sure to delete your Facebook page, then tap continue. Tap delete page and Facebook page will be deleted. Keep in mind that you have 30 days window to reactivate the page if you change your mind. After this period, the deletion will be irreversible. So that is how you can delete Facebook page permanently. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.